Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing an unboxing of this massive box. So there's 3 models in there and we will do it in 3 parts. So today we are doing part 1 and we'll save the best one to last. So I put my phone down, we've got a stand somehow, and we will just, I know you can't see it, but yeah, we'll just unbox it in 3 parts as I said. So I'm opening the box now. Oh. Okay guys, so we have the models in there. Let me put my phone down again. You will see the one that we are unboxing today in a minute. Oh, these boxes are so dirty, right? So this one we will save until last. Okay, so this is the one that we will unbox today. Ooh, this is a different box than I expected. Okay. Oh yes. Ooh, very nice. Okay. Alright. For now, this can go on here. Alright, so today we are unboxing the first model and we will, we might also rate it as well. I just have to find it. So we have a, yeah, 400. So we have the Gemini Jets 1400 scale Emirates 777-300ER in the blue EXPO 2020 livery. So I expected this to be a regular Gemini box, but it's not. It reminds me of Helper. But yeah, so first I will show you the box. So on the top there it says Boeing 777-300ER scale 1400. You have your Emirates logo there. You can see the model. Then it says EXPO 2020 Dubai.com. Emirates store here. And you have your Gemini Jets logo. And then on the back, all the info. So very nice. Let's get it out. So as I said, this is a regular Gemini box. It's more like a head design. Okay, and that's the model. Wow. Okay. Let me just see if it's okay. Yep, it is fine. Okay, because you know guys how Gemini Jets is. It might be broken, but this one is not. I don't see it broken, so there we go. That's the model. So let's get into it right away. So on the front there you have your cockpit windows, then the nose. The nose could be a little bit more pointy, but well, then it says Boeing 777-300ER. That 3 looks like a 9. But yeah, then you have your nose gear there. You have L1 boarding door. You also have the little Emirates logo on the door there. I don't know if you can see it. Right, they have very nice detail. Then you have your EXPO 2020 Dubai UAE titles, official premiere partner. You have the L2 door. You have the EXPO 2020 on the engines, the main landing gear there. Very nice. Also you have first antenna, the second and third one there. There's no Wi-Fi hub on this. Then moving down you have your EXPO bubbles there. The third boarding door and then the back one. Then registration on this model is Alpha 6-Echo Papa Kilo. Then your UAE flag on the tail there. I'll give you a front view of the airplane. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, and on this side it's all the same. The underbelly, yeah, you have your APU door. They're moving up. You have your Gemini Jets logo, then the Emirates titles. The wings are single piece, I just noticed. For me, this, to be honest, I like it more. It's preventing damage, because when they are two separate pieces they might break off separately, but these ones will not. Main gear, hole for the stand of the engines, nice detail, very nice. Then you have your two things here, and then the nose gear and nose gear door. Very nice detail there. So let's get into the rating. So the mold, I think the mold, I will give it a 8 out of 10. It's very nice. I see no troubles with it. It's nicely done. I know you can't see it because of the light, but yes, it is a nice model. So 9 out of 10 for the mold. Now then the gear, unlike on my 777 Sky Cargo, this one does roll and tilt, both of them. Very nice. So I think I will give it a 8 out of 10 for the gear. The detail could be a bit better. There's no, on the underside, you know, for the main gear door, there isn't a detail there for that, like you have for the nose gear, so that's why it's 8 out of 10 for the gear. Okay, then detail is really nice. Everything is cool. I like how they done the Emirates logo on the door, and the antennas. Everything is good. There's no Wi-Fi hub, but that's alright. So I think I'll give it a 7 out of 10 for the detail. Alright, the painting, the livery is done nicely. No issues there. You have your Emirates on the inside of the engine there. Very nice detail. I don't know when this was released, but yeah, it's a very nice model. I highly recommend it. So painting, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Oh, alright. So now let me just add it up. So so this gives the model the total of 33 out of 40, which gives it the rating of 8 out of 10. So these are our scores. We've had 9 out of 10 for the mold, gear 8 out of 10, detail 7 out of 10, painting 9 out of 10, which adds to a total of 33 out of 40, which gives this model a rating of 8 out of 10. So 8 out of 10 isn't bad. For the next video I will have it on the leaderboard done. But yes, I do recommend it. If you want to get it, just buy it. It's an amazing model. And thank you for watching part 1. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.